And now we're ready for page 4 and 5. Okay, so they are mirrors of each other. So you have a swivel, photo slot, and you have another photo slot, and a little tuck-in pocket, and then you'll see it's exactly the same on the other side. So page 4, we're going to start with page 4. So first thing we're going to do is stick our flap on the end like that. So we'll take this off. I'll pop that on the end. Tell I've had lunch because my eyes are out. Okay, so pop it on. And pop it on there. Okay, so that's on there. Like that. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is stick your decorative paper onto your swivel band there, like that. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that one there, like that. Okay, so that's stuck on there. Now give it a little bit of leeway there, like that, so you've got your edge. Okay, doesn't matter if it's going over the black card at the other side, because that's going to be covered. Okay, so that's there like that. Then you need to pop this onto here, so that, let me just get a piece of white paper. So that's the edge of your page there, so that is going to butt up like that, so you don't have a gap at all. Take your halfway mark, so you know that is there. Then you need to take your swivel die. Now I'm just going to show you this. This is cut out of this is one of our swivels. It's got black pen on it, but that's cut out of light board, so it's a bit thicker. And then you're going to cut one out in a black card. Cut that one out in black card, and then pop that on top. So take this to here, line it up, put your pencil in, and you want to make sure that swivels all the way around. But can you see it's still blocking that little bit of flap? So that means you need to move it over so that when it swivels all the way around, it's not going to block the flap that's there. It's a really easy thing to do, so just put a mark there like that, and then you're going to punch or use your pokey tool to make a hole in there. So we're just going to do that now. Just line that up. Okay, so I'll just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's my hole punched in there like that. So then you're going to take your swivel. Now first of all, that's the white one I cut out with light board. I've gone round the edge with a black pen, and then I'm just going to stick the one cut out of black card, which has also got some decorative paper matted onto it. I'm just going to stick that on top like this. So it's quite a sturdy swivel now, because it is going to get quite a lot of welly. Okay, so that's stuck on there like that. And then to fix your swivel in place, you need a brad. So I have a brad here. Now this is from our faux brad die collection, and that's made from our 280 GSM card, and it's strong enough to use for your papercraft projects. And the other thing is, because it's flat, it's not going to damage anything that a page folds over onto. So that's the smallest size, and there are 2 other sizes as well, but we will be doing a separate video tutorial with how to use those. So that's what I'm using here. But are you still zoomed in?
You're zoomed in, yeah.
Right, well, we're still zoomed in. Part of the things that come with the brad.
Good luck finding those. Moving towards you a bit. That's it. Yeah, good luck trying to find those.
These little tiny things. They're a thing that actually fit underneath the brad, so it holds it in place. But if you pop 2 of those on, I'm just going to, it'll be hard.
Well, you had to shot.
That's all right. Right, I'll pop that one on. And I'm sorry, my fingers are huge in comparison to this. Okay.
I would cut more than one out. You need them.
Okay, right. So that's extra on there. Now you don't need those, but because it's going on a swivel.
Oh, yeah, I can't see it. You have to move forward. No, back towards you. That's it. Yeah.
Right, because you're using it as a swivel, those 2 little bits are going to act as a washer to give you a bit more room. So the idea is you have your swivel, and you pop your brad on there like that.
Okay, bring it towards. That's it. Perfect.
Okay, so then that will swivel round really easily. So then your next step is to pop it in the hole you've cut. Okay, and you can see that that swivels round, and when it swivels round, that bit is clear, so you know it's not going to block the hinge, and then that swivels round like that. So you pop that in there. This is going to be difficult to see because it's black on black.
Yeah,
on
it is.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to, hold on, I'm just going to turn that round. So, right. Okay, right, so then take your little...
that's fine.
Take your little pins and do it like that, but do not stick those pins down, because obviously you want that to be able to move round, and if you stick them down it can sometimes make the brad too still.
Right, okay.
And you put it under pressure, but that's the same scenario with metal brads as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's that. So that will then...
It was zoom out again.
Yeah, you can zoom out now. Thank you. Thank you, glamorous assistant.
Yeah. I should go back to doing
that'll be lots of editing for you. Okay, so that will then stick on there like that. That will swivel round and it will hold it in place, and then when it opens up again it'll be like that. So you need to stick this piece down now, but don't, as I say, don't stick, do not stick these bits down. So we'll just go along here, and page 4 and page 5 mirror each other. Okay, so we're just going to move that round. Okay, and then that is going to stick onto there, butt it up to the edge of the flap, onto there, like that. Okay, so that should still swivel around beautifully. That's nice and flat. If you want to, you can emboss it, you can put glossy accents on. It's really up to you. So that's that bit there, and then you've cut a little tiny decorative strip which is going to go down here. Okay, and again that's not in, make sure it's not in the hinge, and it's not, so just give that time to stick. Burnish it well. Oops, my fingers are sticky, so let's lift that up a bit. All the instructions are in the PDF as well, so you will have those there. Except you haven't stuck that straight now, Maggie. So just, that's it. Okay, so just go. That's that one there. Okay, so that swivel works well. So then you're going to take your first... Now, because both pages are the same, you can cut all your dies for each bit, the 2 pieces at the same time, as long as you've got them facing up the right way. So here I have the front photo slot one to stick on, so we're going to pop that. Again, you're not going to stick where the photo is going to go, photo corners are going to go, so just whiz that in there like that. Okay, and then we'll pop that, line it up to the edge like that, and then we've got your other little strip that's going to fit on there like that. If you want to do it, if you want to mat it onto black card, you can do, or go around the edge with black pen just to make it pop. It's entirely up to you. I think I might go around the edge with black pen, so let's just do that and see it makes a bit of a difference. This isn't my normal pen, but it's still just a very thin black line, so it's not quite as thick as I would normally do, but this is fine. Just gives a little bit of definition. Yeah, that's better. You can hardly see it, but I can see it's there. Okay, so we're going to pop that on there, like that. Pop that there. So that's the front done. Okay, then you're going to open your page out. And then here you're going to have a tuck-in pocket slot. Again, you can cut both page 4 and page 5 together, as long as you have them the same way up, because you'll still get the detail. Okay, what are you doing over there? It sounds like you're at the post office stamping something.
I've been tabbing our latest nook.
Oh, is it a new one?
A brand new one.
Oh, when will we be seeing that?
Well, soon as we've done the instructions.
Okay, so this one's going to stick on here again because it's a tuck-in spot. You just want glue there, there, along there. Okay, so that will pop in there, and make sure you have your slot straight. If it's not straight, you can always counterbalance that by putting something that you fussy cut just on the end there, and then it will straighten it all up for you. Put that off there. Okay, so that's that one. And then on the other side you've got a photo slot again. Again, you can cut these all out at the same time. So that one's going to go there like that. So same thing, don't stick on here. Just going to stick around the edge. Off we go. Okay, a bit there. And we'll pop that one in there like that. Okay. Except spot the mistake. Do not stick your pages upside down. So make sure your script is going the right way. I was just thinking, oh, it's after lunch. I'm doing quite well, but I'm never very good after lunch straight away. Okay, right. That is up the right way now. So that is page 4 done. Okay, and now we're going to repeat the process for page 5. make sure that hinge is okay. And then that's that side. Okay, so then you've got your two, oops, I've forgotten to put a bit on, haven't I? Your two matching pages, except I just need to add this little teeny tiny bit on, which is going on now. The reason we got these teeny tiny bits is when I made the first one, I didn't leave enough space for the card, so I had a gap, so I moved it along, so that's why I did it. But I actually like how it picks out the patterns on the photo slot page. Give that time to stick. Don't do it wonky. And you can see if there's not a little black border there, just go in with your pen, just finish it off like that, so it all looks seamless. So then that is your page 4 and 5.